Hi, I'm Don Meredith. I'm the Director of Design and Engineering for Wilderness Systems. I want to talk to you about the Wilderness Systems Helix Pedal Drive today. We've run into a few customers that have actually run aground with the unit. When the unit is locked down into the hull, that puts a lot of strain on the mount system. So we've, in a few instances, seen where the hardware is stripped out on the hangers. This video gives a simple rework that you can do at home to get the unit back in factory condition and back on the water and having fun. So the first thing that you want to do if the situation didn't already rip the hardware completely off the unit is get the hanger off of the pedal drive. You'll only need a few simple tools for this. Obviously, first you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to get the hardware out. You'll also need a drill with an 1/8" drill bit, a small set of pliers. I'll be using needle nose because the hardware that you'll get from customer service will include a new set of fasteners, some replacement hardware so that you can rework the unit and get it back into working order. I recommend when you do the first step to wear safety glasses. We'll be drilling out the brass inserts where the hardware mounts. And the chips do tend to fly a little bit with that, so definitely you'll want to wear safety glasses. So again, a drill with an 1/8" drill bit, you just line up on the brass insert and drill those all the way through. Clear it of chip. And then next you'll take the new hanger with the clasp facing down, the screws from the outside, put both of them in to keep it aligned while you're tightening. The nuts are nylock nuts, so once they're threaded on they will stay on, but it does require, you can't use your hand to hold them. They're tiny and the resistance when going through that nylon collar is pretty high, so you'll need a small set of pliers or a small wrench to hold that in place. So first get them threaded on. Take your pliers and hold the nut on the back side. And then just tighten the screws down, and good and hand tight is just fine on this. This doesn't require a torque spec. Most of the stress during use is in shear, so just holding this good and tight is really all you need. So there you go. You have now the hanger mounted as it was with the original condition. You're obviously not using the brass threaded inserts anymore, but it's through bolted with two nuts on the back side. Again, those nuts are nylock nuts, so once installed, they'll stay installed. And you should be good as new, ready to get back on the water and have a great time.